Hello guys, so this is just the home page of the pixellab. So now we are designing our business flyer together with your brand name. The assignment that I gave you to do. You're going to use your brand name at this era. So let's say for the starting, you're just going to delete this text by going just here. Click on OK, then the text deleted. So now you are going to go to your this this layer, the fourth one. When you click on it, you will see color, transparent, image size, crop, image from gallery. So I've downloaded a certain picture that I'll give you the link with which you can also get some of those pictures. So let's say I'm going to my gallery, select that picture. So here it is. Now it become my background. So let's say I wanna change the size of that, and I'll just go here and change it so that it can be a little bigger than that one. Here we go. So at this time, I would like to do a shade form on this thing on the background to change the color in a transparent way. So what I want to do is just going to go to the second layer, sorry, the third layer, and select the square shape. So I'm just going to scale it out to fit out the background. Yeah. So from this place, I'm going to go to the first layer. The first layer is for text and code. So still we remain in the third layer, and I'll change the color of the square to black. You can use any color that you want, but make sure the text and those things are also going to be a color that will project for good work. So I selected black, and I have to reduce the opacity, which is something like this, and mark it. So from here, I would like to do some little gradients of the black shade that I did. So what I'm going to do is just to go to eraser and clean this place. It's okay, so you're going to see that one part of the this of the background is normal, and the rest are like a shadow. That's cool for me. So from here, you just have to go and add your text, whatever text that you want to do. The text, this A, the A represents the text. So you go there, you edit, you clean the first one, and you write what you want. For example, something like this, mark, and you bring it here. before I continue, if you want to shift the text, you could see that the shade is the shadow is also moving. So what we're going to do is to click on this layer and come here, this one, and merge the distance, the layer that you did. You merge it. Okay, sorry, this one you have to select two or more before. So let's say if I finish this one, then I'll merge it. So I'm just gonna, I want to do some this thing at the background, like a block text from here, and then I'll change the color of the text to yellow. That makes it cool. You can see that it's projecting well. So you need to see the color grading as well. So from here, do you want to set up business? So just take a look at it and I'll continue. So when you just test graphic design, I'm going to run more text bar. Just have a look at what I'm doing. Here is where you change the fonts and the font style over there. Be vigilant with what I'm doing now. So at this juncture, you can bring out your brand name, the one that I gave you to find yesterday. Unlike mine is your live studio, so you can bring it there. You're gonna change the fonts of it. At this point, you are here to just say you are done. Because at least this is cool to get a client for your work. Yeah, it's just a cool design. This is just a tutorial for you to show you how you can do it. You can do better than this. Yeah, you can do better than this, but this is just something that I want to show you. So from here you can just save it at this button. One thing about graphic design is if you are working for someone, make sure you save a sample as save as a project. In case the person said what we did, you have to change this and change that. You're just gonna go to your project and edit it. But if you save it as a image and the person complain that you need to change this and that, you won't get it unless you design over again. So for this one, just a tutorial, I'm going to save it as an image. But as a graphic designer, you have to have a project of it. Yeah. So at this juncture, I will say I'm done. Yeah. All the best. I wish you good design.